Hello everyone, I am starting a course, or you think that it's not a course, just I want to practice my English language so fluently, so I create a video to discipline and my part of exercise that make me learn English so easily and fluently. So first thing that I want to say that I doesn't care who see my video and comment whatever, that I only about care about result. If the video give me a better result, so I continue my video. And you think that my language grammatical is so wrong and I don't say English properly, but I want to try and I wish you can help me to learn my English language so fluently. So thank you for staying me for now. So I will start now. I see. Okay, let's start about. Okay, I starting about seeing some notes. So the notes was created by the mentors, so you can understand. I have a course that I explain in my way. So you see that the course is something beyond that the classroom expressions. So this lecture first have some contents, that's class contents and homework. So class contents is classroom expressions, knowledging each other's self-introduction, pronunciation, and homework is vocabulary, ask question fluently, grammar, listening, English passages, and reading. So we can start. So stay with me and like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. So there is. So first thing that is class content, that English vocabulary. So one vocabulary outcome. So the sentence there is outcome. The outcome of the experiment was not what the scientists had expected. So we have a word, that word was outcome, and the sentence of the word is the outcome of the experiment was not what the scientists had expected. So fourth number, package. The delivery service arrived with a package from the online store. There are more things that you see, the 25 word and 25 sentence. Just you okay, you stop the video and screenshot that you can practice another thing. So second number is overcome. She worked hard to overcome the challenge she faced in her career. Third page is classroom expressions. So classroom expressions is how to I question my teacher what to do now, to what I can say him and her. So that was the classroom expression. So there are first comment and first expressions that I so may I come in. You have a class teacher in your class, so you have late in the class, so what you can say that may I come in sir, or may I come in ma'am. So second one is may I go out. You have a tight situation, like you have want to go washroom, so you can say the teacher, may I go out. Then can I answer the question? Okay, teacher asks you a question, so you want to answer this, so you can say your teacher or ma'am, then may I can I answer the question. Then can you explain it on more please? You don't understand that like I explain you that I don't teaching you because I am not able to teach you. I am a student, so just I want that my learning skill improvement, and you are also, if you enjoy my video. So there are something that I can explain and you can understand. So you can ask me in the comment. You can explain it once more, please. Okay, then can you help me, please? Yes. Yes. When he helps you, but you can explain, but he can explain it. How can he ensure help from you? So he can say, you can help me, please. I know that I can't explain you properly, but if you stay with me in the last time of my video, last second of my video, thanks you very much. That I don't believe anyone stay for so long time for the foolish type of video, but if you stay with me, thanks a lot. So the video finished right there. So if you stay with me in that last second of time, in last second of video. So please comment me, like if you want, like if you like, so if you want subscribe. Goodbye. Ta-da.